Alright guys, welcome to this final lesson on action plan. What are the things you need to do from now on? Basically, a little bit of recap what you've learned so far. You've learned how to use candlestick patterns and also what are they all about. How do you use it under different contexts. And then you've also learned how to use trend lines, moving averages, support and resistance. And also you've learned how to apply momentum indicators, RSI, CCI, stochastics as your confirmation indicators for your price action trading. So you might be wondering right now, since you learned all of this, since I teach you all of it, then should you put all of these things into one chart, which will turn out to be something like that. Now if you trade this kind of way, it will be very complicated and sometimes it will confuse you, because as a trader you don't want your chart to be too complicated. You want to keep it as simple as possible. You don't want to over clutter it. Understand what I'm saying? So then what should you do then? First thing first, test out the different momentum indicators that I've taught you and then pick one. Okay, just pick one. Use whichever that is suitable for you, whichever that you're more comfortable with. Personally, I feel comfortable with CCI. There's no hard and fast way to explain why am I comfortable with that. It just fits my personality, that's it. It just fits my style of trading, okay? At most, you can go to 2 indicators if you want more confirmation, but I feel that there's no need for that. But never go up to 3, okay? So momentum indicators, pick 1. But then how about your candlestick patterns? I've taught you so many patterns. Which one should you use? If you are just starting out, it's better to pick candlestick patterns that you prefer. I know some traders, they are really experienced, but they only spot hammer patterns, inverted hammer patterns, shooting star patterns. They don't care about bullish engulfing, bullish army. They only focus on the single candlestick pattern because that is just their comfort zone. But of course, with that said, there's no harm in learning everything, applying everything. But as a start, don't get too overwhelmed by the fact that you need to learn everything. Just learn one by one. So candlesticks, you can pick a few or you can pick everything. That's up to you. How about your moving averages, trend line, and also support resistance? When it comes to the MAs that I've taught you, the trend lines, the support resistance, because it's not too complicated, it doesn't clutter the chart too much. So I recommend you to apply everything, okay? And apply each indicator to the right kind of context. For example, your 5 EMA, you only want to put that in when you're trading a breakout from a resistance. For example, over here, then you have to find which candlestick is the confirmation candle instead of this one, because the 5 EMA is still below. The confirmation candle will be this one, okay? But on normal times, when you're not trading a breakout like this, it's fine to remove this 5 EMA from your chart to make it, less cluttered so that you can see the candlestick pattern clearer. Or you can have 2 different charts open. One for breakout trading, which you put in 5 EMA, and then another one just for retracement trading, okay? Where you just put these 3, your 50, 100, and then 200 inside, alright? I personally prefer that way, so that you don't have to delete the indicators and then add it back in later on. And also very importantly, make sure you apply all these indicator strategies to the right kind of market environment. In a ranging market, you don't want to use this for trading because moving averages, it normally doesn't work out when the markets are ranging, and its function would not work out as well, because you can see that when the price comes down to 50, it didn't bounce off. And somehow ranging markets, the risk to reward normally isn't that good, and sometimes ranging market is just going sideways, so you can't really harvest a lot of profits from it anyway. But with that said, if you're an experienced trader, you know how to trade the range, then feel free to do that. Just understand that you would get a lot of false breakouts when you're trading a ranging market, so you can use support resistance in a ranging market. You can still trade the range market if it's not too volatile or too choppy. But if you are trading in a volatile and choppy market, I wouldn't recommend you trading into that because it's just so unpredictable. So you just avoid trading during these times where you see big candle spikes like this. You see big candles and you just want to avoid trading during this time. Okay, so the next steps for you would be some homework for you to do. First thing first, make sure you craft a trading plan, whatever that I've taught you, whatever that you have back tested. Once you've confirmed it that it works for you, then you put it into your trading plan. Right after that, you're gonna hone your trading psychology and risk management. So when it comes to risk management and trading psychology, I've taught that in the previous course, in the beginner's course. So if you want to check that out, then feel free to email my team. But the best way to master trading psychology is to practice in a demo account. Then after that, practice with real money using a small live account. Then you gradually increase your account size from there. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to demo trade so that you can train your trading psychology and also train the way you trade. Right after that, you record all your demo trades onto your trading journal. When it comes to a trading journal, you need to record both your demo trades and also your live trades. Very important, because a trading journal allows you to review what are your strengths and weaknesses. Okay, so right after that, you start with a small live account. And if you need a broker recommendation, email my team at admin@karen-fu.com. Then they will get back to you with the details. And if you feel that learning candlestick patterns is not enough, then you should proceed to learn chart patterns for additional confirmation. And this will be reserved for another course. Learn your fundamentals and sentiment only if you want to become a long-term trader. So you realize that in this course, you are doing more of a day trading and swing trading. But if you want to become a trend follower, you feel that that is more suitable for you, or you want to add that into your trading strategy, then you can check out my other courses, which I teach you in detail on fundamentals and sentiment. And finally, if you don't want to proceed with any of the courses, it's fine too, because you can always still keep watching my YouTube channel for free tutorials. And most importantly, make your investment worth it. Revise this course again and again and again. Okay? So with that, I hope that this course was beneficial for you. So if you have any further requests or questions as to when is the live talks coming up, or when is the next course coming up, feel free to email my team. For other things as well, like broker recommendations, other courses, any books that you can buy, or any upcoming events, live events in Singapore or other countries, so you can email my team and they will get back to you. So with that, I hope that this lesson was beneficial for you. And with that, I wish you happy trading and may the peace be with you.